Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. This week in school we have been studying Mexico. So I thought that we would teach you how to make some cost-effective, easy meals using the rice cooker, microwave, and the air fryer. Hey guys, in our last video we showed you how to make easy Spanish rice in the rice cooker. Today we're going to show you how to make quesadillas either in the air fryer or the microwave. Don't get discouraged. I have a Ninja. However, Walmart has other air fryers that you can purchase for about $25 or $30. All air fryers have pretty much the same setup. They all have temperature settings and timer settings. Those are really the only two things that we're going to be working with today. So don't get discouraged. But we're going to start with the easiest way to make a quesadilla is in the microwave. Remember, all of our ingredients, including the cheese that we have grated, all came from the Dollar Tree. This is the cheese from the block that we had in an earlier video. So we're going to take our tortilla shell and we're going to add cheese. If you want a little bit of cheese, you can have a little bit of cheese. If you want a lot of cheese, like I do, I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. Then we're going to fold it over, press it down, and take it to the microwave for 1 minute. Also remember, when you're taking stuff out of the microwave that's going to be hot, don't forget your oven mitts. And there we have it, a cheese quesadilla. Okay, so that was one way to do it, was in the microwave. Now I'm going to show you how to do it in the air fryer. Same way, we put the tortilla down, but this is our air frying shelf. We add cheese to half, as much or as little as you would like. Then we fold it over. Then we're going to take it over to the air fryer. Okay guys, so once we have our quesadilla in our air fryer, we're going to close our lids, turn it on, and as I said, we're going to mess with the temperature. We're going to put it up to 400, and we're going to put the time down to 3 minutes. And we're going to press start. At this point, it will cook, and it will turn itself off after 3 minutes. Okay guys, once our quesadilla in the air fryer is cooking, we've only showed you how to make cheese quesadillas. Some of you might think that that's pretty boring. Well, you could get chicken. You would just need to strain it. And when you're done, put it in a container to put in the fridge. Black beans are also really good. You could do the same thing. You're going to strain them and then put them in a container to be put in the fridge. You can add pretty much whatever you would like inside your quesadilla. Okay guys, so our air fryer just dinged. Oh, it looks like our quesadilla is done. Make sure, because this will be hot, that you get some tongs or a spatula to pull it out, to put it on your plate. Nice and crispy. Okay guys, so this one came out of the microwave for 1 minute, and this one came out of the air fryer for 3 minutes, depending on the time frame that you have or that you would like. The air fryer is a little bit more crispier than the microwave one. Whichever way or however you would like to make your quesadillas. They're good. Until next time.